Hi people, so this is what's happening in Kenya right now. It's the long rain season. With it, it's flood everywhere. It's like reading from a playbook or watching a movie. Anyway, I will post videos of different places that have been affected in the next video, but for now, guys, just watch this, stay safe, and pray for Kenyans wherever you are. So many people have lost their property, but the worst is those who've lost their lives. Their lives, it's a sad state of affairs. So this lady on the ground is giving an explanation. Just listen to her.
Hey guys, just wanted to show you I'm stuck. Apparently okay, I was in this matatu and that's the road. Yeah, current situation at KU. See that car? Completely submerged. Fun fact, that car did not it did not get stuck there. It got stuck down there. And the people came out and the car was swept all the way till here. That lorry tried to pass, it got stuck. It's same with that matatu. And yeah, I'm cold. I've been here for 6-7 hours and it's not looking pretty. It's not looking good. People are saying these lorries can pass. I don't know if they can, but I just wanted to show you guys that our drainage system is shit. Yeah.
This other video is in an upmarket town, leafy suburb, top tier estate in Kenya, where the rich have cordoned themselves off from the rest of the poor Kenyans. I kid you not. They have security that keeps vigil 24/7. This estate is called Muthaiga. But today, the flood is an equalizer. So this flood has not spared anyone. The rich, the poor, we are literally on the same boat. Get it?